Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see part 2 of how to install Python packages. In this session, we will see all those commands which you are going to use in specific situations. As I won't have all those use cases of all those situations, so I won't be able to showcase you practical use cases of all those commands in those particular situations, but theoretically I will try to explain how to use all those different commands as per the different situations. So let's see that. As you can see on the screen, first three commands are useful to install particular package having particular extension. In case you have downloaded any package having extension of .whl, .tzz or .tar.zz or .zip, in that case you can use this command pip install package name dot specific extension. Let's see practically. So right now I am in my particular directory where I have already downloaded Python packages having .whl, .tar, .zz, .zip extension, and now I will try to install all these packages with the particular command. So let's see that. Pip install pandas whl extension. Okay, so it's providing the error that it is not supported well on this platform. So there might be issue as I am using the Fedora Linux. So that might be the issue with this .whl extension. Let's try with the another package. Pip install pandas. Okay, so as you can see that by using that particular command pip install package name dot extension, I am able to install pandas package having .tar.zz extension. It will take some time. Meanwhile, it is being installed. I have found one error in the package that I have downloaded. The package that I have downloaded, this .whl extension package, it's for the Mac operating system and not for Linux or Fedora operating system, and hence it is giving the error. Another way to install this zip package is pip install pandas, and it will install pandas package having .zip extension. One more way to install any particular package is getting the setup.py file of that particular package. So you can see on the screen that I have this pandas folder. So I will go to that particular folder pandas, and you can see over here that I have this setup.py file. So what I can do is I can use this command python setup.py install. Now let's see the other commands for which I don't have any practical use cases available. So I am going through the theory. So the next command is pip install URL link and the extension of the package. So if you want to install package directly from any URL, you can use this particular command. Okay, next is pip install package name dash I, either an URL or a folder or a directory path. Same command we have with dash F option. Pip install package name dash F space either an URL or a folder or a directory. The difference between dash I and dash F will be dash I stands for index URL and dash F stands for find links. Default index URL for pip to look for packages is https pypi.org/simple. Another difference between dash I and dash F will be whatever the link or URL or folder or directory you are going to mention after this dash I option must be followed by PEP 503 format. If it is not being followed by PEP 503 format, in that case you need to mention dash F option. So the only difference between dash I and dash F will be if your link or URL or directory or a folder following PEP 503 specified format, then you can use dash I option. If your link or URL or a folder or a directory is not following PEP 503 specified format, in that case you need to use dash F option. You can get more details with the help of this command pip install dash dash help. So you can see over here that dash I stands for index URL and default will be https pypi.org/simple, and dash F stands for find links. Okay, and if you want to see that how this particular URL will look alike, so you can see over here that this is the URL, default index URL for pip, where it will look for all the packages which you want to install with the help of pip command. The use case of this command dash I and dash F is if you want to install your packages from another URL or folder or directory where you have hosted all your packages. In that case, you can use this dash I or dash F option. It is generally useful in case of self-hosted pypi server. Next few commands are python setup.py install that we have already seen. Another command is pip install package name dash dash extra index URL, then path of the URL or local directory or file or a folder. So if you want pip to search for the package at other links or folder or directory apart from your default index URL or apart from your specified index URL, you can mention it with extra index URL option. It is same as the index URL option where the web page or directory or a folder or a URL must follow PEP 503 specified format. Another option to install packages is pip install package name dash dash trusted host pypi.org. So in case if you are facing any SSL related error, in that case you need to use this option trusted host. So it will allow you to download and install packages from pypi or even any specified URL, web page or folder or directory where you are facing this SSL error. Another command is pip install package name no index dash f. It means that when you don't want pip to look for package in the index URL or an index folder or a directory and just want it to get the package from another given link, in that case you can use this option no index. If you have self-hosted version control system and you have hosted all your Python packages over there, you can use this command python dash m pip install dash e and then entire path of that version control system. So few example of this version control system through which you can install the packages is like this. If you want to install from Git or svn, these are the few examples of it. So this egg is the compulsory portion and then equal to package name that you want to install, and this will be the URL of your version control system. Okay, so this was about the how to install Python packages. Another thing is if you want to update the Python package, you can use the command pip install dash u package name, or what you can do is you can also use this command python dash m pip install dash u package name. One thing to note over here is wherever we have used this command pip install, you can replace this command with python dash m pip install. Both the commands are similar and working in the same way. In case if you want to uninstall any package, you can use this command pip uninstall package name. And the last but not least, if you want to get more details of how to install Python packages in different scenarios with different condition, different situation, or different types of URLs, in that case, you can follow this link. So I have mentioned this link in the description box. Please check it out. Also, if you want to know what is the PEP 503 standard or PEP 503 format, you can follow this link. I also mentioned this link in the description box. So these are the few ways through which you can install Python packages in different scenarios and different conditions. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.